3 earthquakes in 4 days. The Alhambra evacuated. A young girl hurt. And now officials are warning it might not be over. This is inside Granada's growing earthquake swarm. Southern Spain has been rattled by another powerful earthquake with a magnitude 4.8 tremor striking the province of Granada on Tuesday morning, August 18th. The quake hit at around 10:37 a.m. local time, with its epicenter near the municipality of Goja, just south of Granada city centre. Spain's National Geographic Institute initially measured the event at 4.6 before revising it upward to 4.8, making it one of the strongest tremors recorded since the current seismic sequence began. This latest shock follows a similarly powerful earthquake that struck the same region just 3 days earlier. In the early hours of Saturday, August 15th, a magnitude 4.8 quake jolted thousands of residents awake at around 10:04 in the morning. Its epicenter was in the town of Alhambra, southwest of Granada, at a shallow depth of roughly 10 kilometers. That quake was itself preceded by a smaller tremor hours before, when a magnitude 3.7 earthquake struck near La Zubia at around 6:43 in the evening on Friday, August 14th, and was widely felt across Granada and its surrounding communities.
Julián! En el colegio. Julián! Julián!
Saturday's stronger quake then triggered a swarm of aftershocks, with more than a dozen additional tremors recorded within hours, prompting frightened residents to leave their homes and gather in the streets overnight, some bringing chairs and blankets to spend the night outdoors. Tuesday's earthquake caused visible damage across the region. Officials reported cracks in walls and debris falling from buildings in Alhambra and surrounding communities. 3 people sustained minor injuries, including a young girl taken to the hospital for treatment. Emergency crews responded to numerous calls, and building inspections are underway across the affected towns. Among the most notable precautions taken was the partial evacuation of the Alhambra, Granada's iconic UNESCO World Heritage Site. The historic fortress section, known as the Alcazaba, was evacuated, and access to the Nasrid palaces was suspended for the rest of the day. Granada Municipal Police have also asked residents to avoid standing too close to buildings, citing the risk of falling debris from structures already weakened by the recent shaking. No major structural collapses have been reported so far, but experts note that because the earthquakes are occurring at shallow depths, even moderate magnitudes can produce unusually strong shaking at the surface, increasing the potential for damage to older buildings. Granada sits in one of the most seismically active regions of the Iberian Peninsula. Local authorities have urged residents to remain calm but cautious. The head of Andalusia's regional government activated the region's emergency plan for seismic risk after the initial quake on August 15th, and repeated that call for vigilance after Tuesday's tremor, warning that seismic activity and aftershocks are likely to continue, and asking the public to exercise the utmost caution in the coming days.
No, a la casa no nos vamos ahora. Ni nos vamos para abajo. Ni para abajo, no se lo ha dicho. Mira que lo ha dicho mi hija. Dice, no te vayas para abajo. Que se
¿Qué calle es esta? Mira a ver qué calle es. Yo. Ha sido de arriba, Madre mía. Ha sido de arriba. La Virgen.
Se ha caído la cornisa, colega.
¿Qué calle es esta? Mira a ver qué calle es, Johnny. Ha sido de arriba, Madre mía. Ha sido de arriba. La Virgen.
Scientists say this kind of clustered activity, multiple moderate quakes striking in close succession, is consistent with known patterns in the region, though the exact duration and intensity of the current sequence remains hard to predict. For now, residents across Granada and neighbouring Malaga province are being asked to stay alert, follow guidance from local emergency services, and avoid unnecessary risks near damaged structures, as authorities continue monitoring the situation.
Terremoto. Terremoto que todavía dura, ¿eh? Terremoto que todavía dura.
3 earthquakes in 4 days. The Alhambra evacuated. A young girl hurt. And now officials are warning it might not be over. This is inside Granada's growing earthquake swarm.